Hey everyone, it's Ty and welcome back to Black Girl Makes. In this video, we're going to undecorate the house. We're gonna take down the Christmas decor and reset for the new year, right?
Yeah.
All right guys, come with us while we get this house clean. Let's get to it. Just taking the ornaments off the tree. The girls were both excited and a little sad that we were taking down the holiday decorations. They really enjoyed them, and here are a few of our favorite ornaments. Now that I have all of the holiday decor and all of the ornaments off the tree, it's time to pack them up for the next holiday. All of the holiday decor fit in this one bin. We've got Christmas decor, we've got Eid and Ramadan decor, we also have fall decor. While we're packing up the holiday decorations, I'm thinking about what's to come in 2021. I think it's an understatement to say that 2020 was a tough year for everyone. But I remain hopeful that 2021 will be a great year for me, my family, and yours too. Now we have all of these clippings all over the floor. We've got some other decorations, some other decor, crumbs from cupcakes, lots of dust and debris left over from decor. We got all this dust on the bookcases, so there's lots of cleaning motivation coming up. In terms of household goals, one of the things I like to do is make a list of the things that need to be cleaned, fixed, or changed altogether. You know, those things that you see but haven't gotten around to. Yeah, those things. What I've learned from 2020 and am still learning today is that I want a home that's peaceful and comfortable, and I've realized that it hasn't always been that way. And that's when I was introduced to minimalism. I had started watching some videos about it on YouTube. At first I thought, well, minimalism can't work for a family. It's only for single people or people with a lot of money. So I started to look for families that practice minimalism, and I found quite a few. What I learned is that you don't have to have an empty house, and you don't need to give away all your kids' toys. What I've learned is that you keep the things in your home that add value to your life, and if it doesn't, then it's okay to get rid of it. I started this journey about a year ago, and I still have so far to go, but I am so happy with how it's going. For the first time in my life, I don't feel controlled by things. It's day 2 of the New Year's Clean With Me. I ended up taking down the holiday decor yesterday well into the night and cleaning my bookshelves and rearranging things, and I also had to get my eldest daughter ready to start back online learning, which started again today. So I had to get her ready for school. So I'm back at it today. I finished up the bookcases. I even went ahead and gave myself some self-care, TLC. I recorded it, but I'm not sure if you guys would be interested in seeing, me detangle my hair and, what it takes to kind of do that kind of thing. Comment down below if you'd be interested in seeing that, if I should even bother putting that kind of content out. I don't want to be a natural hair vlogger, but if you wanted to see it, I did record it. We're gonna finish cleaning up the house today. We've got a few more tasks to get get this house in order for the day, for the next couple of days. So hang out with me as I get this place together. I initially moved the couch so I can get to the mirror and the console table, but when I went back there, I found so much dirt and crumbs.
Oh my God, is that a cracker?
Whenever I'm cleaning an area, I like to start from the top and work my way down to the bottom. First, I'll wipe down the mirror, then the console table, and finish up with vacuuming behind the couch. I got these gold taper candle holders from Amazon. I love their simplicity. As I finally put everything back together, I look forward to the many blessings 2021 has to bring.